First, I would choose a healthy, pest-free tomato cutting that is still growing. I will trim the tomato stems neatly and create a root zone by removing the outer layer of the stem, about 0.5 centimeters from the stem. I will use scar remover, pest control, and keep the tomato cuttings hydrated. To help tomato branches absorb nutrients from the beginning, I use fresh milk mixed with 1 onion clove and water and soak for 45 minutes before planting. In addition to providing nutrients, aloe vera will help the plant retain water. So after 45 minutes of soaking in water, I will place the tomato cuttings in the aloe vera and soak. And we use suitable nursery pots and tomato cuttings. Water evenly and keep in a cool place. Amazingly, after just 5 days, the tomato cuttings have sprouted and rooted. Now we can plant them. I will reuse discarded plastic chairs and use plastic bottles to create an automatic composting system to grow tomatoes. Tomatoes are root crops that require a lot of nutrients, so I prepare the soil using both rice husks and worm castings for growing tomatoes. Rice husks help loosen soil, prevent erosion, and provide long-term nutrition. Vermicompost is non-toxic, highly antibacterial, and rich in nutrients. After planting, in addition to watering, I also put the discarded tubers and fruits into the compost. After 15 days of planting, the plants are tall, green, and ready to bloom, so I will start taking care of them. First, I will prune the unimportant branches at the base of the tree, loosen the soil to remove weeds, and add soil for the tree to grow. At this stage, the plant needs a lot of nutrients to grow. So, in addition to adding worm castings, I also compensate the plant with a chicken egg. Thanks to providing enough energy for the plant to grow, the tomato plant has now produced many flowers and is preparing to bear fruit. To let the tree concentrate nutrients to nourish flowers and fruits, I cut off dry, withered branches at the base and used honey mixed with water to water the tree. Garlic is very effective in taking care of plants, so I use 1 clove of garlic mixed with water and spray it evenly on the plants. It stimulates flowering, repels insects, and kills pests. Amazingly, after 45 days, the tomatoes have given me lots of big, ripe fruits. Now I can use them in delicious everyday dishes and as gifts for relatives. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, leave a comment below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.